This is the 2021 training. In this tutorial we will be teach you how to use Ocean WP theme in WordPress. This is the best theme for WordPress. This is the part 1 of this tutorial. You will be learn how to use and how to create a website using the Ocean WP theme. Please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon. We will be notify you when we are uploaded any new video. First of all, you have to log in your WordPress dashboard. You can see on the screen at this time we are at the WordPress dashboard. First of all, I am going to introduce you. This is dashboard of the WordPress. This is the home. This is show our all post, add new post, categories and tabs we can set here. In this media section you can add any type of media you want to add in your website. Like you want to add some pictures, you want to add any videos for any trainings. After this, the pages. In this pages you can add any page here or delete here or view page, edit page and add new page from this here. Click here, you will be in redirect to add new page section. Okay, but at this time we are going to back because at this time we are just introduced you this section. In the comments you will can see the all comments. You can remove the comments and delete any type of comments from here in this section. In this section, the appearance. In this appearance you can add a new theme in your WordPress using here. First, this section of this is a theme. In the add theme, customize. In this customization you can edit your theme. You can all setting available from this area for you. Going back, in this widgets options, all widgets option available here, and the menu section you can add, set and different type of menus for your website. Background change, you can edit the theme editor, and the other section is the themes, plugins. In the plugins, mostly plugins is used to add more options, more functionality in your website. In this plugin you just add the new button, and after the add new button you will be see how to add new plugin. You click here, different type of plugins are available for you in the screen. This is by default from the WordPress. After this, some popular available here like Contact Form 7, Yoast SEO, Elementor, Classic Editor and many type of WooCommerce available for you. Like this, how to install any plugin, just click on install now button. After the installation you have to activate the plugin. After the activation the plugin will be start the functionality perform. You can deactivate this plugin, like click here to deactivate this plugin, but you can delete here and you can also active here. We are just active this plugin. After this you can add some users here. In this section you can add or edit the admin name, password and other more setting you can set here. This is a major introduction of the WordPress. After this WordPress we will be start our Ocean WP. Because of this will be must you know how to use the WordPress. After this, some tools are available: import, export, site health, export personal data, erase personal data. Some more setting are used to use the WordPress. In the next section is setting. In this setting you will set the site title, tagline, address of your website, the admin password and all settings you can set here. Call span menu, you can increase or decrease the menu. First of all, we are going to add the appearance. Add new. In the add new, search from here Ocean WP. Just enter the Ocean WP. WordPress find for you Ocean WP theme. You can click on install. Press the active button. Okay, some at this time our website look like this. This is the main Ocean WP theme design are activated successfully. If we are deactive this themes, we active this theme, then you see I'm going to refresh the page. You will be see this type of website, another theme activated at this time. All setting of this theme are show here. And this time we are going to this Ocean WP, press active button, then this will be shown here, Ocean WP. In this section we are going to add this theme recommended the following plugins. Ocean Extra, this will be need to use this theme. Press here, install this Ocean Extra plugins. This plugin is add more functionality in this. Okay, this will be added successfully. Going to refresh. After the refresh there is nothing change because the plugin nothing change in our website. I'm going to appearance and themes. Done. Run the setup wizard. This will be helpful for us. Ocean WP gave us sample. Ocean WP gave us a way to